This is Unit 10, Exercise 10.1, Question 1. Here we are asked to find the value of sine minus 780. We know property of sine, it shifts angle negative sign outside, so it becomes minus sine 780. And then we can write it minus sine 720 plus 60. 720 is 2 pi. So the reference we create here is sine 2 pi plus theta. Sine 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus theta is first quadrant. At first quadrant all are positive, sine is positive. So due to pi form it remains sine. So this is equal to sine theta. Now we write sine 720. 720 is 2 pi. Sine 2 pi plus theta equal to sine theta. This minus sign remains there, so sine 2 pi plus theta becomes sine theta. Theta is 60 here, so this sine 2 pi plus theta, sine 2 pi plus theta is written as sine theta. Theta is 60, and then sine 60 is square root 3 by 2. So this is answer. If we solve another part, second, cotangent minus 855 degree. How we solve it? Cotangent also shifts negative sign of the angle outside, so this is minus cot 855. And if we break it, how can we break? We can write it close to it, multiple of 90 is 810. 810 plus 45. So this is minus cot. It can also be written as 9 multiplied by 90 plus 45. 90 is pi by 2. So 9 multiplied by 90 means 9 pi by 2. We create reference here. Cot 9 pi by 2 plus theta. 9 pi by 2 plus theta. Now we should know, students, that here it is pi by 2. This is 3 pi by 2. On this arm it is 5 pi by 2. On this arm it is 7 pi by 2. On this arm it is 9 pi by 2. So 9 pi by 2 arm is same as pi by 2 arm. So we can write here 9 pi by 2 angle forms on the terminal arm where pi by 2 angle forms. So it means in place of 9 pi by 2 we can write pi by 2. So we write cot pi by 2 plus theta. Now if you see page 318 of the book, you will find result. Pi by 2 plus theta is second quadrant. Pi by 2 plus theta, second quadrant, right? This is second quadrant. In second quadrant, cot is negative. Pi by 2 converts it into tan. So it is equal to tan theta. Now we write in place of cot. This minus sign is already there. We write this cot 9 pi by 2 plus theta minus tan theta. Theta is 45. Then it will be tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. This is answer. Next is cosecant 2040. So we can write in place of it cosecant. This angle can be broken as 1980 plus 60. 1980 is 22 multiplied by 90 plus 60. So now we create reference here. What that reference is, cosecant 22 pi by 2 plus theta. 22 multiplied by 90 plus 60 means 22 pi by 2 plus theta. 22 pi by 2 becomes 11 pi. So it is 11 pi plus theta. We must know that where 11 pi forms. This is pi. No, this is 0. 0 pi. 2 pi. 3 pi. So odd forms on where pi forms. Odd multiple of pi is on negative x-axis. So on negative x-axis minimum angle is pi. So we can replace 11 pi by pi. So if we write pi plus theta, it is third quadrant. And third quadrant cosecant is negative. Due to pi it remains cosecant. So we write in place of it cosecant theta. So look at it. Cosecant 22 pi by 2 plus theta equal to minus cosecant theta. Cosecant 22 pi by 2 plus theta is minus cosecant theta. Theta is 60. Sine 60 is square root 3 by 2. Cosecant 60 is 2 by square root 3. So this is done. With reference it is solved. Then we solve secant 960. Secant minus 960. We know that the property of secant and cos is same. Both make negative angle positive. Absorb angle sine. If it is negative, then it becomes positive. 960 can be written as secant 900 plus 60. 900 is can be written as 10 multiplied by 90 plus 60. Now we create reference. Secant 10 multiplied by 90 means 10 pi by 2. 10 pi by 2 plus theta. 10 pi by 2 plus theta becomes 5 pi plus theta. 5 pi forms on the terminal arm where pi forms. So we can write pi plus theta. If we write pi plus theta, it is third quadrant, and third secant is negative. Due to pi it remains secant theta. So we had this form due to this reference. Because of this step transforms into new. Secant 10 pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus secant theta, and theta is 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Secant 60 is 2 by 1. So this is another part is done. Next part is 10 11 10. 10 11 10 can be written as 10 80 plus 30. 1080 is 12 multiplied by 90. Now we create reference. Because of this, what is written? 10 12 pi by 2 plus theta. 12 pi by 2 plus theta. Now 2 cancels 12 and makes it 6. 10 6 pi plus theta. 6 pi and 2 pi have same terminal arm. So we can write in place of 6 pi we can write 2 pi. So it is 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus theta is first quadrant. In first all are positive. Tan is positive. Due to pi it remains tan. So this is equal to tan theta. So tan 12 pi by 2 plus theta equal to tan theta. So we write this equal to tan theta. Theta obviously is 30. Tan 30 is 1 by square root 3. This is answer. Next is last part. Last part is sine minus 300 minus 300. First of all, sine shifts this negative sign outside. Minus sine 300 it becomes due to property of sine. We can write it 270. Multiple of 90 is 270, close to it. 270 plus 30 if we write, then it becomes 300 obviously. Then we create reference. 270 is 3 pi by 2. Because of this, sine 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means 270 plus theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta is fourth quadrant. In fourth, sine is negative. Due to pi by 2, it becomes cos theta. So sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta. This sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta, in place of it we can write minus cos theta. Theta is 30 degree. This becomes cos 30. Cos 30 is square root 3 by 2. We will look at next part, question number 2. He says express angle less than 45 degree. So this is question number 2. Sine 196 degree. All allied angle properties are used here. Sine 180 plus 16. Due to this reference, sine pi plus theta. 180 is pi and 16 we represent by theta. So sine pi plus theta it is written. Pi plus theta third quadrant. Sine is negative. Due to pi it is sine. So this is due to this reference. This is equal to minus sine 16. Now angle is less than 45. This is answer due to this reference. Next is cos 147 degree. We can write cos 180 minus 33. Due to this reference, cos pi minus theta. 180 is pi, 33 we write as theta. So pi minus theta second quadrant, and second cos is negative. Due to pi it remains cos. Due to this reference, it is equal to minus cos 33. Look at it. What is written? Cos 180 minus 33. Same as cos pi minus theta. To cos pi minus, in place of cos pi minus theta, we write minus cos theta. So in place of cos 180 minus 33, we write minus cos 33, matching with this. Next part is sine 319. Sine 319 degree. We can write sine 360 minus 41. So then we create a reference. 360 is 2 pi and we write 41 as theta. So sine 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta is fourth quadrant, and fourth it is negative. Sine is negative, and due to 2 pi it remains sine. So this is equal to minus sine theta. Sine 2 pi minus theta is minus sine theta. Theta is 41 degree. So again angle is less than 45. This is answer. Then we have cos 254. We can write it as cos 270 minus 16 degree. It is 3 pi by 2 minus theta. We create this reference. Cos 270 means 3 pi by 2. In place of 16 we write theta. 3 pi by 2 minus theta is third quadrant, and third cos is negative. Due to pi by 2 it becomes sine theta. So in place of it we can write minus sine theta. Theta is obviously 16, which is less than 45. So this is aim of the question, that make angle less than 45. Next to it is tan 294. We write tan 270 plus 24. Now we create a reference. But the reference is because tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 273 pi by 2, and place of 24 we write theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta is fourth quadrant, and fourth chain is negative. Due to pi by 2 it becomes co-ratio cot. So this is equal to tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta equal to minus cot theta. Theta is 24. Then we do cos 728. Cos 728. We write cos 720 plus 8 degree. 720 is 2 pi, so we create reference. Cos 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus theta first quadrant, and first all are positive. Due to 2 pi it remains cos. So this is equal to, due to this reference, this is equal to cos 8 degree. Next is sine minus 625. It is minus sine 625 degree. Due to sine property, it is negative angle of sine of the angle is shifted out. Then we write it as 630, which is multiple of 90, minus 5 degrees. So it becomes 625. Then we write minus sine 7 multiplied by 90 minus 5 degree. Here we create reference. It is 7 pi by 2 minus theta. Where does 7 pi by 2 form? Pi by 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. So 7 pi by 2 forms on negative y-axis where 3 pi by 2 forms. So in place of 7 pi by 2 I can write 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta in place of sine 7 pi by 2 minus theta. 3 pi by 2 minus theta, third quadrant and third sign is negative, pi by 2 makes it cos. So because of this reference, this is equal to minus cos 5 degree, which will obviously become cos 5 degree. Aim is to find angle less than 45 degree. Cos 435 is next. Minus 435 it is. Due to property of cos, negative angle becomes positive. It becomes cos 435. 450 multiple of 90 minus 15 degree. It is 5 multiplied by 90 minus 15. What is 5 pi by 2? We create a reference here. Cos 5 pi by 2 minus theta. This forms we see here. 5 pi by 2 is same as pi by 2. Both have same arm. So in place of 5 pi by 2 we write pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus theta, first quadrant and first all are positive. Pi by 2 makes cos sine. So cos 5 multiplied by 90 means 5 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Theta is 15 degree. This is last part of second question. Sine 150 degree. Sine 150 degree is equal to sine 180 minus 30. So we create this reference. Sine 180 is pi, minus 30 it is written. 180 minus 30, in place of 30 we write theta. Pi minus theta, second quadrant, and second sign is positive. So due to pi it remains sine theta. So this is equal to sine 30 with this reference. So second question is also done.